All right, what's good, everybody? It's Boy on the mic. We're going to do 8.6. We're going to continue. We are in basic data structures for video game design. Now, I'm not going to lie. I had to watch the videos on this one because I was like, where are we getting at? Where are these methods coming from? So they were just like, oh, we have these methods that we made. I was like, okay, cool. Nice to know that. So, and these right here, what they are going to do is they are going to introduce how to add things and find certain items inside of these arrays. So we're given an array with line 1 and line 2, and we have to search inside of it, and we should print whether Bob is in each line. Your console should look something like this. So function start, your code goes here, right? So what I want to do is go back to here and use what they gave us, right? So index of, let's copy this, right? What this does is it searches for a certain string in the array. So it says, given this array and given this string, go through the string from the very beginning to the end. And if this variable, which they called current, equals the string that we have designated, we are going to return that string I. Otherwise, we are going to return -1. We aren't going to return I. We aren't going to return -1. We're going to return this right here. Bob is in the first line. And we're going to return Bob is not in the first line if it's in there. However, we remember that this is not like the end all be all, right? So we have to make sure that we are going to well, first off, we have to name what our string is, right? So let's just look for variable. Let's just keep it like it is, right? Variable string equals Bob. Let's just do this. Variable string equals Bob. That's what we're going to be looking for, right? And then we are going to put in index is the array, right? Line 1 and line 2. And then the string that we are looking for is going to be from string, right? Now, something they did here was, I liked this, right? This is where they did their print line, right? List dot index, right? So this is line. Dot index of. And this Bob. Actually, no, wait a second. No, that returns that. We don't want that. We want print line. Or one. Index of list donuts. This gives back our. This print line gives us back the index value of where donuts is. We don't want that. We just want to make sure that we can return true and return false. Actually, if we wanted to. Turn something print line. Thumbs off. We're going to return our string Bob is plus in first line. copy that. Is not. No, see, right, because it has to return the string, and see it has says is in, so it has to produce that in here, so we can get that the first line and the first line, line 2. Bob, and then Bob plus. I just had to think about this for this organization. It's funny how indexes like really change how you have to think. No longer like a puzzle. Strings have double quotation. What is going on? What is going on? Index of. Okay. Huh. Oh, I forgot to change that. So, but that didn't change it. We have to add that. We get the. Not do that. Not. Let's do it so that way it matches this. That's what I'm thinking. Line 2. Currently. Bob is. Aha. Turn. Oh yeah. Aha. And run the code, and we are good to go. What? Oh wait. I'm supposed to say Bob is not in the second line. Ah, stop it. As my 2-year-old say, stop it, Dad. Alright, easy enough, easy enough. It returns the string, plus is in with some spaces. It returns the string. So that way we could actually change it, so we could even do like Lisa up here. And that's the whole purpose of this code. Right, and so we run it, and Lisa is in the first line, Lisa is in the second line, right, because Lisa is in both. I like that. So we're gonna go ahead and submit and continue. Oh, wait. Oh, hey, Bob. Hello, Bob. Save it and I already watched the video. Splice and remove. We'll open that up because they gave us this code right here where oh yeah, need to go back, reset code. I went through and I was playing with it. So they have this thing called splice, right? This splice works from this index, remove this many terms. So 0, 1, 2, from this index 2, it says remove just one term. So that would have been removal 14. It would have been 7, 4, 8, 3, 9. If we had done 2 here, it would have removed 14 and 8. That would have been 2 total. If it had been 3 here, then it would have been 1, 2, 3 total. And so there we go, right? Or we could just say, hey, you know, forget the splice method, right? Inside of, we're going to make a new element, and it's going to be this array up here, but we're going to remove the second index only. Cool. So that works. I wonder, actually, if we remove 2, 3, if that's actually print. Print. Just the 1. Through 4. Interesting. Playing around. Alright, anyways. This is how I learn. I just run with it. See what happens. Remove from the line. You're given an array of names who are in line to move. To remove element to the first person from the line twice. I've just given them. This shouldn't be that hard. Alright, so it said the console should print this. Alright, so we're going to create another variable. Call it elim. That equals. No. First thing we're going to do is we're going to print out the first line. Print line. We're going to print out that array, which is just a line. Wait a second. Let's just make sure that works. There we go. Then what we're going to do is we're going to use the remove feature. So we can get rid of the last one by doing pop. Right? So array.pop. What if we do array.remove 1? Not remove 1, it would be remove 0 because 0 is the first index, and we do it one more time. Why didn't I just copy paste? Come on, man. Give me some help over here. Line. What's so hard about this code? What? Oh my god. Ah. Oh my god. Let's create a function. Adds space. Missing. Wait a second. Oh my god, it's going space after every single comma. Oh my. Okay. Of the line. Well, that's okay. Space after line. Why doesn't. Watch this. Are you ready? I know this isn't what it's asking me to do. Oh, no. God. Lori, why are you doing? Oh, man. Well, that would have been hilarious. Well. GG's, boys. That's base given in array. Right. This array, we're going to go through the whole thing. I'm gonna copy this code because it helps. Okay. Going through the whole array. Current variable equals. My God. Okay. If the current the issue is it always prints the first one. What if we do this? Run through it. Print line our array at I. Then, regardless, run another 4 in here. If I is greater than 0, how about this? If I is greater than 0, then we will. So check it out, right? We're gonna run through it. We're gonna print it. We're gonna print the first one. If I is greater than 0, nope, it's 0. I'm gonna go through it. Then it'll print the next one. Print. Gotta print it plus a space. It's gotta print it plus a space. Not print line, by the way. It's print. It's all in one line. Print. Plus a comma. No. Because if it prints the comma before seeing... Because it can't print the last one. Gotta print... comma and a space if it's everything but the last one. So array.length -1, because it'll go to the very, so it'll be at the length of the array -1. Then it won't print it. Or I don't know. Try it without the minus. Let's see. What are we missing? Uncaught argument list. Or argument. I am missing a semicolon. Oh. Right there. Alright. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh my god. It has to go to the next line. How do I do that? Bougie code. You have it. Because, like, right, it goes to the very last index. But the length is always one more than the index number. Thank God. Finished code, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Next up. Place and remove. Oh, yeah, we got. That was 8.7. Yep, we did that. Now it's 8.8. I think we have one more time for one more video. Oh, yeah, this was the phone book. Adding key value pairs, right? So they said create a variable, called it phone book. Basically, it's an array, and they said it's a map actually. Map key value, right? The map is a phone book. Get a number out of it by printing it, right? So what we're going to do is we are going to open up a new called sidekick. So we have it. The map is sidekick. All right, so we have 3 keys: Wonder Woman, Mermaid, and Finn the Human. Nice. Add Batman, sidekick, Robin. Okay, this should be super easy. This was like massively. Um, Merman's side. Mermaid. And then we have to print line that variable. That would be Merman's side. Oh, Barnacle Boy, your sidekick. My sidekick, Parker and Lou. Is that it? Oh, we had to. That was pretty. What's a holy cow? List of basics of objects. I think this is good for a different video. So I'm going to end it here. Thanks for watching, guys. This is a 25-minute video. Peace.